Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and today is very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about the supremacy of Lord Krishna. Why Lord Krishna is supreme among all the God. Lord Krishna mentioned even each and every God, even demigod, means each and every God who are worshipping to Lord Krishna and always praise to Lord Krishna, always try to please Lord Krishna. So in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Madhusudan Murula Murari Mukunda Kesava Janardana Govind Gopala Madhava clearly stated about the clearly singing about the glory of Lord Krishna, supremacy of Lord Krishna. Many people would have a controversy regarding Lord Shiva is a supreme, Lord Brahma is supreme, and people who actually worshipping other god, they are actually considering their own god as a supreme god. But I would say all gods are actually singing the glories of Lord Krishna because Lord Krishna's enchantment, Lord Krishna's beauty, Lord Krishna's purity, Lord Krishna's childhood, these all things are attracting to all of us to worship Lord Krishna. So here, Madhusudan clearly stated, if you really want to understand the glory, the opulence of Lord Krishna, the supremacy of Lord Krishna, then you have to read chapter number 10 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So in chapter number 10, Lord Krishna clearly stated, clearly mentioned, clearly declared the glory of himself, glory of Lord Krishna. Clearly he declared his glory before Arjuna in the battle of Mahabharata. So here Madhav, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana. Here in Brahma Samhita, Brahmaji clearly stated, Lord Brahma, actually who is a creator of this entire material world, who is actually Vishwakarma, who is actually creator, who created this entire material world by the order of Lord Vishnu, Lord Krishna. Then he clearly stated, he sang glory of Lord Krishna. He clearly stated, verse number first in Brahma Samhita, Brahmaji clearly stated, ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिर आदिर गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम मीन्स हियर ब्रह्मा जी स्टेटेड क्लियरली ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिर आदिर गोविंद मीन्स अनादिर आदिर गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम ही इज अ कॉज ऑफ ऑल द कॉजेस लॉर्ड कृष्णा इज अ कॉज ऑफ ऑल द कॉजेस हियर ब्रह्मा जी क्लियरली स्टेटेड he Lord Krishna is ancient. Lord Krishna is means in the ancient, present, and also in the future. Lord Krishna is omnipotent and omnipresent. Lord Krishna is everywhere. Lord Krishna actually who is actually worshipable God. Even in Shiva Purana, Lord Shiva clearly stated, Aradhyam Sarveshyam Vishnu Aradhanam. Aradhyam means Aradhyam. Or if you really want to worship any god, then you have to worship Lord Vishnu because Lord Vishnu's worship, Lord Krishna's worship is a supreme topmost worship of Lord means Lord Krishna or means is a topmost worship of any god. So Lord Krishna's worship is a topmost, is a supreme worship. Aradhyam Sarveshyam Vishnu Aradhanam. And here Krishna said, everybody is singing about Brahma, even Lord Shiva, even Lord Vayu, Lord Agni, and Lord Indra. Everybody sung a song, sung the glory of Lord Krishna, and ultimately Lord Krishna stated, yes, I am the God. Mat parata nanyata kinchita asti dhananjaya. Mat parata, verse number 7, chapter number 7. Here Krishna said, Mat parata nanyata kinchit asti dhananjaya. मयि सर्वम इदम प्रोते सूत्रम मणिगण इवः मयि सर्वम इदम प्रोते सूत्रम मणिगण इवः a conqueror of wealth. Here Lord Krishna addressed Arjuna, a conqueror of wealth. There is no truth superior to me. Lord Krishna said, I am the supreme truth. There is no truth superior to me. Everything rests upon me. Everything rests upon me. As a pearl are strung on a thread. As a pearl are strung on the thread. Mat parata nanyata kinchit asti dharanjaya. Mahi sarvam idam proktam sutre manigana ivaha. Mahi sarvam idam prokte. Sutre mani gana ivaha. Krishna clearly stated, yes, I am the God. I am the energy which provide the life of each and every material things. I am aham bij pradapitaha. I am the seed giving father of this entire material world. This is what Madhusudan clearly stated. And let's get into chapter number 10. Here Krishna clearly stated about affluence. Lord Krishna said, he who knows me as unborn, I am always unborn. As a beginningless, I have never started, I am beginningless. As the supreme Lord of all the world, Lord Krishna clearly actually admit, yes, I am the supreme Lord of all the world. He only undiluted among the man is free from the all kind of sinful activities. Krishna clearly said in verse number 3, Yo mama jamanadi cha veti lokam maheswara. I am the God of all the God. I am the supreme personality of God and lokam maheswaram. I am the supreme personality of God and Krishna Vasudeva Madhusudan Mukunda Murari Kesava Janardana Govind Gopala Krishna. Here Krishna clearly stated Loke Maheswara Sarva Loke Maheswaram Asammuddha Sam Mrityu Se Sarva Pape Prama Uchate Sarva Pape Prama Uchate. I will definitely make that person who know about me, that person who is undiluted among all the men, who knows about me that I am unborn and also beginningless, and also I am the supreme Lord of all the God, all the world, all the three planets, Patal Lok, Bhumi Lok, and also Swarg Lok, Indra Lok. I am the supreme Lord of all. Here Krishna clearly stated, Yo mama jama nadi cha veti lokam maheswara sarva lokam maheswara asammuddha sa mrityu se sarva pape pramu uchyate sarva pape pramu uchyate. Krishna further said, I have created all things. I have created intelligence, knowledge, freedom from doubt and delusion, forgiveness, truthfulness, control of the senses. How to control of the senses I have created. Control the mind I have created. Happiness and distress, birth, death, fear, fearlessness, non-violence, equanimity, satisfaction, austerity, charity, fame and infamy. Everything are created, means everything is created by me. These all components are created by me. Intelligence I have created. Aham buddhi dadami yogam. I am giver of intelligence. This is what Madhusudan clearly said. I am giver of intelligence. Aham buddhi dadami yogam. Krishna further said it. Mahasya sapta purva chatvaro mana vastah madava manasa jata yasa loka ima prajaha. The 7 great sages, and before them 4 great sages, and the Manus, progenitor of mankind, come from me. These all things come from me. Even I come from Lord Krishna. Even each and every living entity come from Lord Krishna. And ultimately I will submerge into Lord Krishna, and each and every living entity will submerge into Lord Krishna. So here Krishna said, and born from my mind. Everything, each and every creation is born from my mind. And all the living beings populating the various planets and descend from them. This is the affluence of Lord Krishna. This is the supremacy of Lord Krishna. Even I read Quran Sharif. I don't want to criticize. I don't want to slander. I don't want to. I miss. There is no doubt. No. I have read many religious books. I have read Quran, Bible, Guru Granth Sahib. Many books I have read. But no God mentioned that He is a supreme God. He is a God. Everybody mention about their messenger of God, but here Krishna clearly stated, yes, I am God. I am the supreme personality of Godhead. Yata vibhuti yoga cha mama yoti veti tatvatah so vikalpena yogena uchyate natra sansayah. Krishna clearly stated in verse number 7, chapter number 10. One who is factually convinced of this affluence, mystic power of mind, my mystic power is engaged in unalloyed devotional service. Of this there is no doubt. That particular person who understands about the mystic power of mind and my affluence, the person who knows about my affluence and mystic power, that particular person, unalloyed devotional service is engaged in unalloyed. Listen my word very carefully. Engage in unalloyed devotional services. There is no doubt. Without any doubt, Lord Krishna devotee who knows about mystic power of Lord Krishna who knows about affluence of Lord Krishna will never doubt on Lord Krishna. Always engage in unalloyed devotional services of Lord Krishna. Krishna further stated, Aham sarvasya प्रभवो मतः सर्व प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मा बुद्धा भाव संपत्ति. Here Krishna said, I am the source of all spiritual and material world. Krishna Vasudeva Madhusudan Mukunda Murari Kesava Janardana Govind Gopala Krishna here clearly stated, I am the source of all spiritual and material world. Madhav Madhusudan clearly stated, I am the source of all material and spiritual world. Everything in made from me. Krishna clearly stated, everything in made from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service worship me with all their heart. Always worship with all their heart. All their heart. I am the source of, Krishna clearly said, I am the source of all spiritual and material world. I am the source. Krishna said, Aham sarvasya pravabho mata sarva pravartate. Here Krishna directly stated, I am the source of all spiritual and material world. Krishna further said, Macha chitah madagitah pranah bodhayante parasparam kathayante ma nityah tushnanti cha ramyanti cha. Here Krishna said, the thought of my pure devotee dwell in me. The thought of my pure devotee dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my services. Their lives are fully devoted to my services. And they derive the great satisfaction and bliss. They derive the great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. Conversing, always talking about me. My great devotee are always talking about me. The person who is always talking about me, always singing my glory, my opulence, my supremacy, that particular devotee is very dear to me. This is what Madhusudan clearly stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Krishna further said, Tesa satata yuktana bhajanta priti purvakam dadami buddhi yoga ta yena mamo prayati tetaha. Here Krishna said, to those who are constantly devoted service me with a love, who are the person who has engaged in my devotional services constantly without getting any kind of deviation, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. I give the understanding by which they can come to me. My devotee, I am only giving the understanding, the perception power to understand about my affluence to my devotee only, by which they can easily come to me. This is what Madhusudan stated. Teresa Mevana Kampartha Mahana Jnana Jahatamah Nasasyama Atmana Bhavasta Jnana Dipena Bhavasyatyaha. Here Krishna said, to show them supreme, the special mercy. In order to show the special mercy, I dwell in their heart and destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. Shining lamp of knowledge and darkness born of ignorance. I will definitely remove all the darkness. My true devotee, the person who surrendered to me, Krishna stated, I am the source of all material and spiritual energy. This is what Madhusudan clearly stated. This is what Madhava clearly stated. Mat parata nanyata kinchit asti dhananjaya. Mahi sarvam idam proktam sutre manigana ivamah. Krishna said, Mahi sarvam idam proktam sutre manigana ivamah. I am the source. Krishna said, I am the source of all the energy. I am the supreme truth. There is a no truth superior to me. I am all the source of energy. I have created this entire material world. Aham bij prada pitaha. I am seed giving father of this entire material world. So this is the supremacy of Lord Krishna. Even Lord Shiva worship to Lord Krishna. Even Lord Brahma worship to Lord Krishna. Even Lord Vishnu. Actually, Lord Vishnu and Lord Krishna both are one. Both are one energy. But I would always sing the glory of Lord Krishna because I born in Dwarka city, the holy city of Dwarka, Dwarka Nagari. And I have been learning, I have been singing, I have been worshipping Lord Krishna from my childhood. So I would love the real, the actual form of Lord Krishna with a Basuri, with a Laddu Gopal, and with a Kamodini Gada, and with a Sudarshan Chakra. So this form I love, and I want to see Lord Vishnu in this form, in the form of Lord Krishna. So this is all things which actually mentioned in this particular chapter, and this is the supremacy of Lord Krishna. And Lord Krishna further stated, Swayam Mevana Atmanata Vetatvam Purushotam Bhuta Bhavana Bhutesu Deva Deva Jagatpate. Deva Deva Jagatpate. I am the Father, I am the God of universe. Jagatpate. Jagannath, I am the Nath, I am the Father, I am the God of this entire universe. Indeed, you alone know yourself by your own internal potency. How to know Lord Krishna? Lord Krishna said, you alone know. You alone know yourself by your own potency about me. The Supreme Person, origin of all. And the Supreme Person and origin of all. Lord of all being. God of God. And Lord of this entire universe. This is actually mentioned in verse number 15, chapter number 10. And Krishna further said, Oh Krishna, I totally accept as a truth that you have told me neither the demigod nor demons or Lord can understand your personality. Yes, neither demigod nor demon can understand the supreme personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, the supremacy of Lord Krishna. In order to understand the supremacy of supreme affluence of Lord Krishna, we have to totally surrender to Lord Krishna. With the supreme mercy of Lord Krishna, we can easily understand the supreme affluence of Lord Krishna. Without supreme grace of Lord Krishna, neither demigod nor demon can understand your personality, Lord Krishna's personality. So this is what mentioned about Lord Krishna. Krishna further stated, verse number 20, chapter number 10, verse number 20, chapter number 10. Aham Atma Guna Kesa Sarva Bhutasya Yasasti. Aham Atma Guna Kesa Sarva Bhutasya Stitaha. Sarva Bhutasya Stitaha. Aham Madisraha Madhya Cha Bhutat Atmana Ivachaha. Madhyata Bhutat Atmana Ivachaha. Lord Krishna here clearly stated, I am the source, I am the super soul. Yes, Aham Paramatma. I am the super soul. Oh Arjun, seated in the heart of all living entity. I am seated in the heart of all living entity. I am the beginning. I am beginning, the middle, and also end of all being. I am the beginning. I am the beginning. I am the birth, youth, and also death. I am the beginning, middle, and also end of all being. This is what Madhusudan stated. Aham Atma Guna Kesa, verse number 20, chapter number 10. Here Krishna clearly stated, Aham Atma Guna Kesa Sarva Bhutasthya Sarva Bhutasthya Titaha. Aham Adi Cha Madhya Cha Bhutat Atmana Ante Iva Chaha. Aham Adi Cha, Aham Madhya Cha Bhutana Ante Iva Chaha. Krishna said, I am the super soul. O Arjuna, seated in the heart of all living entity. I am the beginning, the middle, and also end of all being. I am the beginning, middle, and also end of all being. This is what Madhav clearly stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is the supremacy of Lord Krishna. This is why Lord Krishna is supreme among all the God. Lord Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. And I do worship the supremacy of Lord Krishna, the excellence of Lord Krishna, excellence, glory of Lord Krishna. I would always sing a supreme glory of Lord Krishna. So thank you so much. I hope you all can understand. If you have any question, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Jai Sri Radhe. Jai Dwarkadish Krishna. Radhe Radhe.